adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe all except nouns. Adverbs can describe verbs. Adjectives. Other adverbs. Usually, adverbs describe verbs. Adverbs add extra details about verbs. Adverb. Adverb. Example:
They go. They go slowly. They go fast.
Word order. Usually, the adverb is placed after the verb it describes.
To ride slowly.
In most cases, an adverb is formed by adding "ly" to an adjective.
Slow.
Slowly.
Bad.
Badly.
Sad.
Sadly.
Slow animals.
They go slowly. If the adjective ends in y, replace the y with I and add "ly."
Happy.
Happily.
Angry.
Angrily.
Noisy.
Noisily.
Noisy children.
They play noisily. Some adverbs have the same form as the adjective.
Fast.
Fast.
Early.
Early.
Fast birds.
They fly fast. Well, is the adverb for the adjective good?
good students.
They study well.
Describe.
The word car is a noun. Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives appear before the noun that they describe.
Fast car. Describe.
The word sings is a verb. Adverbs describe verbs. Usually, the adverb is placed after the verb it describes.
Emma sings well. Describe.
The word play is a verb. The words happy and noisy are adjectives. The word noisily is an adverb. Adverbs describe verbs. Usually, the adverb is placed after the verb it describes.
The boys play noisily. Slow or slowly.
The word man is a noun. Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives appear before the noun that they describe.
Slow man.
Adjectives that come after the noun must follow the verb to be.
The man is slow.
The word goes is a verb. Adverbs describe verbs. The adverb is placed after the verb it describes.
The man goes slowly.
Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe all except nouns. Usually, adverbs describe verbs. Adverbs add extra details about verbs. Usually, the adverb is placed after the verb it describes. In most cases, an adverb is formed by adding "ly" to an adjective.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.